right here. Hashtag Glory December 7th. On December 7th, my album Glory is dropping. I want to ask every single one of you guys that are supporting me to tweet this hashtag and this message so that we create buzz about the Glory album release on December 7th. Glory is more than music. It's about a movement. It's about a mission. It's about living for a purpose bigger than ourselves. Proceeds from the album to help charities, to help out those most in need, and really make a difference and inspire others to do the same. Also, on December 7th is my album release concert. The Glory concert, December 7th, El Rey Theater in Los Angeles, California, 7 p.m. It's going to be more than an event. It's about an encounter with God's glory. Give back to the one that gave it all to us. Give it all back to God. Let Him get the glory. It's not about me. It's about Him. So we're going to have live worship from the Kingdom Come worship band. And we're going to have just an hour of just straight hardcore getting into it in God's glory and in His face, seeking Him, worship. And so I just want to invite all of you from your churches, local campus ministries, whatever community you're from, whether you're in LA, SoCal, Northern California, across the United States, around the world, come to my album release concert. I would love to see you there and for us to enter into the presence of God in worship. Then my boy Lyrics is coming all the way from East Coast, Virginia. He's going to open up with a set and I'm going to perform songs off my new album right here, Glory, December 7th. Also, if you want to order and pre-order the album right now, you can go to Droku.bigcartel.com and you can actually order the physical album in your hands. We'll send it to you even internationally. So I've been working on this for over a year and a half and I'm just so thankful to God and thankful to you for believing in this new kind of music. It's more than music, it's about a mission. And so really thank you guys. Much love, spread the glory, and let's make December 7th big. There it is. Hashtag Glory December 7th. Thank you all of you for your support. It means the world to me. Nothing but glory to Him. Peace, and let's do this.